Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable and disable Microsoft Defender. Yes, Microsoft Security on the older version of Windows 11 and the latest version. Okay, let's get started. In this search bar here, I want you to type SEC. Now, as you can see, on the very top, there's Windows Security. Click on that. And now it will take you here. I want you to click on this. Now go to Manage Settings. Here. Now disabled all these. So toggle it off. Real-time protection is the main one. And the last checkbox, toggle it off. So we're not finished there. We've still got one more thing to do. So go back to home. Now I want you to go to Firewall and Network. Click on this. I want you to disable domain network, private network, and public network. All three firewalls. Now for the last one. Whoops. Bear with me 1 second. So as you can see, all the firewall protection has been disabled. At any time you can enable this. So I'm just going to show you that everything is disabled. I will go back to virus and threat protection. I'll click on this. As you can see, everything has been disabled. At any time, like I said, you can enable all this. Microsoft Defender is completely inactive. So I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. By the way, please support the channel. Can you please leave a thumbs up if you like this video?